What happens to your debts when you die? Well, they don't pass on to your heirs, despite what a collection agency might tell you over the phone or what you might see on TV. So, what is your responsibility for debts from a loved one? Well, secured debt, like home mortgages or car loans, stay with the asset. So, those need to be repaid. In most cases, you can keep the loan on the primary residence, but car loans would have to be refinanced or the car turned back in and the loan paid off. Unsecured debts like credit cards and personal loans would be paid from the estate or the trust assets. These can often be negotiated, and if there's a dispute, there are creditor claim procedures in the probate code that need to be followed. In most cases, the creditor only has 1 year from the date of death to pursue their claim. And if you're an executor, you have a duty to send notice to the creditors that you know about and the ones that you find through a reasonable investigation looking through the decedent's assets. Well, what if the estate doesn't have enough money to pay all of its debts? Well, there's an order priority for administrative expenses first, then secured debts, then funeral expenses, then last illness expenses, and then after that, general unsecured debts. And federal and state taxes are usually at the top as well. So there are some assets that are also protected from debts that wouldn't have to be used to repay things like joint tenancy property that passes to surviving joint tenants. Also retirement plans with beneficiaries and also life insurance that goes to named beneficiaries. So it's best to talk with your lawyer before paying any sort of estate debts because there may be ways to lessen these. They may not be legitimate, or they may be debts that should be paid from something else. We're here to answer your questions and any others regarding probate and trust as well.